Hi everyone, I'm Megan. This is Erin. And this is Michelle. We're your program coordinators with the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, and we're here to tell you about our career discovery opportunities based in the skilled trades.
On Thursday, April 22nd, we are going to be hosting a mechanic and auto body trades panel featuring programs from Saskatchewan Polytechnic School of Transportation, including their auto body, heavy equipment and truck and transport program, and some others. So you can pre-register for this live event on our website.
If you're interested in a career in the construction trades, then join us on Friday, April 23rd at 10 a.m. for our construction trades panel, where we'll hear from representatives from the Joseph A. Remy School of Construction at Saskatchewan Polytechnic. And if you want to learn more about careers in the skilled trades, be sure to check out our website, where you can find our Spotlight on Construction video series, as well as interviews with industry professionals and post-secondary information.
And if you're someone who loves doing hair and maybe nails, check out our virtual hairstyling aesthetic skills bootcamp. Learn from a journey person instructor and receive all the tools and equipment that you will need. Check out our website for more information. Do you like money? Do you need high school credits? Do you want to get into the trades? Then sign up for our Summer Youth Internship Program. It's a 6-week paid internship program that runs from July till August and offers you the opportunity to earn money, high school credits, and apprenticeship hours. Application deadline is Tuesday, May 11th, so make sure you get the work in now and get your application ready.
In order to get your application ready for SYIP, or if you're planning on applying for a job soon, our employability program is offering our interview skills session on April the 15th or a resume skills session on May the 6th. You can sign up on the website on your screen.
On Thursday, May 13th, we're going to host our second virtual Connected event, and this event is open to any female students in high school wanting to learn about different career paths. So join us virtually, and you can hear from women in all different careers and see what might interest you for your future. And don't forget to follow us to stay up to date on all of our programs.
We're looking forward to working with you.